Okay, so December 16th, it's a Saturday. Dad's good friend Steve is here, and Shop Dog Harley's outside playing.
Hey, Steve.
What do we got going on here today?
Well, anyway, with this stuff that's been shortcutted and whatnot, I feel like John Diefenbaker. He got up in front of to make a speech, and somebody in the crowd asked him, "How's it going, John?" And at that time he had Parkinson. His hand was just going like this. He grabbed it and he said, "Well, everything is good as long as God gives me the strength that the liberals are trying to take away." Well, I feel just like that with some of this patched up shit.
Okay.
Now I put all new hoses on here
Yeah.
to the steel lines. And
Yeah.
the steel lines are there so when the floor goes down, it doesn't crush the
hoses. Yeah.
So I cleaned up the ends of these steel lines. Everything looked good. Hooked it up. Wouldn't you believe it? The damn steel line is rotted through and leaking antifreeze now.
Okay.
So I gotta take the floor out,
Okay.
put new steel lines in, hook up the hoses, and try
Okay.
again. But at least this part is done.
So,
I'm going to put some power on.
okay. So luckily Dad just tacked this floor in so it won't be hard to get in, but he's got to drill and bolt it first so he can fit it back into place.
Now, when he goes,
Look at that.
this is a light here for the shifter at nighttime.
Yeah.
Transmission temperature. What's this one here? Amp gauge,
Yeah.
water temperature, and oil pressure.
Okay.
Good day.
So we're just, the missing hole there is the tack, and
Tack
that's
goes
hopefully coming in the next couple of days. We just talked to the customer, and they're going to try and send it on the bus or get it in. And what else did you do here? There was one other thing you mentioned.
Okay, now the tack goes in, and then I'm going to put a switch here, one of these, for the running lights off of that bumper setup.
Yeah.
And then if he wants a fan, I got another hole there to put a switch for the fan to blow on the...
Okay. Okay, and we are still waiting on the distributor, which is coming in hopefully in the next week. We're going to take a couple days off over the Christmas season, guys. By the time you guys see this, we probably all going to be back. Dad's got a few little tasks on this job to clean up here still.
I left those steel lines on there because that's what protects the floor from crushing the hoses. Yeah. Cleaned them up real good, put the hoses on. Guess what? The steel line is rotted through and leaking.
So
Now, gonna take the floor out, take that steel lines out, weld new ones in, hook up the hoses, and go again.
So, anyways, sometimes it's
You'll
two
see
steps
down the
forward, one
line
step back.
when you're watching. I give them a Diefenbaker setup on this.
So, yeah, we're going to have a couple days off. We're going to go and visit some family out in Alberta. But this one is getting closer to being finished. And it is Saturday, December 16th. You're probably going to see Peter's yellow narrow gauge Bombardier video today. And then everything else. So this is probably coming up on, I think, on the 28th, this video. And like I said, we'll probably be back around that time as well. So keep calling, messaging, commenting. Dad's just talked with a guy from New York here today. He's needs some help. And we're going to get very busy with this machine very quickly as well. And like I said, we're just waiting on some parts. So that's the mini update for today, guys.